This is the Doorbell Rang by Rex Stout, and you can see that the first edition has a red cover with a black spine, and the book club edition is just completely red. Um, the front flap of the first edition has the price at the top, has the Viking Press information at the bottom, and that is not present here on the book club edition. And also the back flap has the Viking Press information at the bottom, um, which is not present on the book club edition. And then the copyright page has the Library of Congress catalog number, followed by the printed in the USA by the Colonial Press, which is not present on the book club edition. That's it for the Doorbell Rang. For more information, this is www.rexstoutfirst.com, www.rexstoutfirst.com.